Guys, me and my cousin are in a big, severe blizzard warning. This blizzard is insane. The wind's blowing insanely.
It's everything.
We're gonna go check it out.
Alex, look up there. They got a little bit of sleet. The clouds have already parted. Last time we were over here, guys, the whole place we could see.
Insane.
We could see, but now it's all covered. It's insane.
Let's go. We gotta go
Kansas
check
is
everything out.
The blizzard is coming towards us in Kansas.
Guys, this has been really insane. This wind is blowing crazy. And we said,
I think there's going to be a tornado later.
possibly. Missouri is crazy right now.
There's a straight line, guys, going through the Midwest. Coming down.
If you guys are in Missouri, if you guys are watching this, I will let you like and subscribe. We'll make more videos like this.
And we got a hole from Maine down to Kansas. Headed through the Midwest.
Alright, we gotta be calmer now.
Headed through the Midwest.
Alright, let's go to the area where we usually do, down here.
And there's like,
Alright, me and Caleb are gonna be watching. So we got the darkness down there, all the dark clouds. It's pretty light down here, but it's gonna hit soon. There's gonna have snow and rain.
there's going to be like 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
We just don't know when it's coming.
Yeah.
Time.
So this is pretty insane right now. It's pretty cold too. You got hurt?
I got dirt.
Oh. Alright, this is where we usually go to watch everything. We go to the field.
There's Larry just shot it. But, if you guys can see this, I don't know if you can see this on
Watch
the
out,
iPad,
watch out,
but-
watch out, watch out. Man, that guy must be really cold. I mean, he has a t-shirt and he's riding on a dirt bike in this.
And
crazy
if you
wind.
guys see right here, the trees are blowing like crazy.
Alright, let's get
Yeah, we got this whole place
to ourselves.
besides construction down there.
Yeah, they're gonna have to take a break later. But alright guys, so as you can see, we got some blue sky. But if you guys live Oklahoma, Missouri West, Kansas, then you're in a lot of trouble because we got a lot of stuff. I'm just warning you guys for the homeless, for everybody. And yeah. So here we go. Let's keep going on our journey.
It's gonna be huge, severe weather out here already in Missouri. There's Topeka and Wichita right now. There's a huge blizzard coming through. It's gonna hit us later, maybe today.
Yes.
But it won't hit for a couple of hours. Maybe it will hit around
Alright.
tonight.
Here's the area where we camp out sometimes. Let's go.
Come on. Whoop, out at 1 in the morning.
We got a break.
See, we just went through here, down there. If you guys see that house, very end of the street.
Our house all the way down there. We went a long way, guys.
And just to all warn you. And we'll promise we'll post it on YouTube.
Of course. Alright. Here's where we usually camp out.
If you guys can see right now, this flag is not supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be sticking up.
Especially when it's
Usual.
attached to metal too.
Yeah.
We have some weird signs here. Alright, here's the construction. We're not going down there. But here's our area. Right down here.
Oh yeah.
Right down here.
There is gonna be huge things going on. Oh, Alex, I just realized. Ladies and gentlemen, this is, you can see this out here. Please do not come out here
Guys, my friend's being a little over exaggerated, right?
I am not.
Yes, you are. He's being over exaggerated. Okay, that's that. Don't mind him, alright? He's new. What? Alright, come on. If you're ever stuck down here, we have our little area, which is about to get construction. Alright, guys, I'm all by myself now. He's all the way down there doing his own business. Alright. We got construction. Here's the area. The wind's blowing, so I'm gonna be right behind here. Yeah, it's like Fortnite. It's just literally like Fortnite. Like a new chapter. So we just showed you all this blizzard. I don't really think it's gonna affect anything. Has to come over, but later we have more business. And yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna head back home.
Hey,
Let's go. Let's go. He lives in my friend lives in some area. Alright. Whew, let's take a break. Don't mind us.
Next time we ride our bikes and scooters.
Yeah, next time we'll ride our bikes and scooters. We didn't want to decide so I can hold my camera. Okay. You want to take that trail?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright. We're gonna go trail. Let's do it, man. Let's go.
Our house could be right here next.
Wow. What an area. We just found a new little area.
Oh, it's the pond. It's the pond.
We have a trail. Wow. Look at this.
Alex, it's the pond. It's the pond.
There's all the construction. Like I've said 2 million times. You want to go take this trail? We can't go down there. It's too close to construction.
Where's the pond?
It's gone.
Pond?
Yes.
I mean, that one is right over there with our pond.
All right, let's go. Wow.
Okay, the wind just picked up.
Yep, the wind's going to pick up
Oh my god.
at the end of the video. Let's keep going.
Over our founding fathers. The tracks. The tracks.
Wow, what a trail. What does this lead to?
Hey. The former
Let's
side.
jump. Ugh. They can't. The people would have saw. I never saw. We'll check on the camera. All right, we'll get that trail later. Let's head back home. It's starting to get a little dangerous. All right.
I'm not. I'm trying to move slow. But the wind is Let's run back home.
All right, guys. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. And we'll keep you updated. See ya.